Good morning, guys. I hope everyone has a wonderful and safe Thanksgiving this year. I thought I would take a little bit of time here and share some deals that I found on smart home stuff as we come up here to Black Friday and the Cyber Monday weekend. Now, I've also noticed that a lot of the stuff in my Amazon store, which I've got linked down below, has been on sale the past couple days. Everything's been on and off. Deals are really rolling in there, so check back in there if you've had your eye on something. Probably going to snag a good deal on it this weekend. But this is all kinds of stuff from other stores. Some of those are bigger combo deals, and I just wanted to share what I think are really good standout deals. So let's get started. First up is a deal at Costco. It's the Ring 2 with a bonus chime. You're getting 50 bucks off. It also comes with 2 interchangeable plates in the satin nickel or Venetian bronze. And that's just 140 bucks. Now, if you're just getting started in smart homes and you haven't picked an ecosystem yet, if you want to go with the Google route, here's a 3-pack of the Google Minis for 70 bucks. That's basically getting one for free. Now, their best deal by far is their Arlo Pro kit. This is the same system I run, although I've got more cameras. This is a 3-camera kit with the hub for $299. This is a $170 savings. It's a 720p system. If you want 1080, you need the Pro 2s, but honestly, there isn't that much difference. It is a highly compressed signal, and the difference between the Pro and the Pro 2 is minimal at best. This is the sweet spot. If you have a regular garage door that you want to turn into a smart garage door and remotely control and monitor, here's a kit for 65 bucks. This is a huge discount. They are 99 bucks and up, and this one has some pretty good reviews. Now, if like me, you want to get in on the Amazon Alexa series of products, these deals are all over the place. Target, directly from Amazon, Blockbuster, Sam's Club. You're going to find these all over. If you want the regular Echo, they're down to 69 bucks. The new 3rd generation Dot is down to 24, and the 2nd generation Dot is down under 20. I snagged another one. I got a 3rd generation that I'm going to replace the one in my living room with and move that one out into the garage. The difference between the 3rd and 2nd generation Dots is a slightly better speaker in the 3rd generation. It's still not a huge difference, so if you really want decent sound, you have to go to the normal Echo, not the Dot. Now, if you're going the Google route, here's a smoking deal on the Google Home Hub. This is basically a big touch screen like a tablet that sits on your counter, or you can mount it, and it controls everything. It basically gives you a screen instead of just a voice controlled speaker. If you're looking for a great deal on smart plug adapters, here's a 2-pack for 20 bucks. So that's basically half price. And these work directly with either Google or Alexa, no hub required. If you're looking for a great dimmer or toggle switch for controlling dimmable lights or a fan, here are 2 options from GE. These are their Z-Wave Plus. They work on the Z-Wave network. They are also integrated repeaters, so you can extend these throughout your home without worry about any signal loss. The toggle switch is 25 bucks. The dimmer is down to 30, so that's a significant savings. And if you need an outdoor smart switch, here's one from GE that's 40% off, down to 27 bucks and change. I picked one of these up to control my outside LED studio lights. This is a smoking deal on a complete 8-piece security system kit with no contract required. You don't have any monthly fee. You simply set it up around your home. It blends right in with any decor, completely, of course, smart home compatible, and you're good to go for just 189 bucks. Now, if you want to step up to the top quality and use the Lutron system that I put in my home, here's a great starter bundle. You get the hub, a normal dimmer, and a Pico remote, all for 80 bucks. You can mix and match this. Of course, you don't need more than one of these kits, but you can also save on just additional components once you have this hub. This is basically like getting the hub half off. Still over at Lowe's, if you need to pick up another Google Home Mini, snag yourself a free GE smart light bulb. At this deal, 25 bucks for both. And if you want to include GE smart switches, they have a 30% off sale going on through the 27th. And they have 25% off all smart door locks. They also have the same $99 deal on the Google Home Hub. And their best deal is $180 for the 3rd generation Nest, which is what we have and absolutely love. This same deal is also at Sam's Club if you happen to be there and want to pick it up. So there you go, guys. Those are my picks. That's what I've seen over the past couple days come in through the ads. I think they're great deals. Hope it helps somebody. Have a great Thanksgiving. See you next time.